All right, my good fellas, the most awaited tutorial, not tutorial, it's a product demo intro is here. So nobody wants to hear me talk. So without any delay, let's get into the product. Let's get into the product demo. So here you can see, here's the login screen. I have already put in my credentials. So I'm just going to log in. I'm going to sign in now and let's get into it. Awesome. Awesome. So we're in the dashboard. As you can see, this is the dashboard. It has got a lot of stuff, so I don't want you to be overwhelmed by it a little bit. So mostly you can see it's an overview. You can see how many training jobs has been completed, what is the success rate, average time, whatever things that you need, GPU utilization percentage or whatever. So as you can see, it's there. But the main thing is, suppose you're here, all right, you're here, you want to create your own AI. That's what you're here for. All right. So you have your data and you want to train it. So let me tell you how to do it. So you'll go to projects, you'll click on projects. And as you can see, I've already have a few projects here. All right. So we had to take a cut because me being the most responsible person, I forgot, I lost the data ultimately, data set. So we re-downloaded it. So let's create a new project very quickly. Let's make a next gen translation model. Why? Because I'm uncreative. That's why, and I'm lazy. So let's click on it. The project has been made. Now we'll create our AI. So you can basically take a demo tool. We have set it up for you. You can go through it. It will help you through it. But me, I already know how it works. So we just upload the data set very quickly. As you can see, we'll upload the file. It's automatically analyzing the data set, rating it for quality. And as you can see, our data set is amazing. So we'll configure the model. Now here's the banger. We have already applied the recommended settings here. So if you are not much aware of which settings to use, how much epoch or whatever, you can keep it at this, or you can change your parameters, see learning rate, epochs, text size. You can just automatically set it according to your own, but here we'll keep the recommended settings. I'll select the model. Here's our own model, but we'll select, say, Gemma 7 billion parameter, and we'll start the training. As you can see, it's going to take some time because now it's going to automatically do some training in the background. All right, so we just skipped it because it took some time to get the training done. Skip to the good part. As you can see, it took 4 hours and 5 minutes on an NVIDIA A100. The F1 score is 95%, 91%, accuracy is 92. So it's pretty good. It's pretty good. So here, once it's done, we had no hands-on involvement here. Everything was done in the background. We can download the model and run it locally, or we can run it in the sandbox environment. See, as you can see, as you can click on the sandbox environments where we can automatically test our model here. You can write stuff and you can test it out very easily, very quickly. So that's amazing. That's incredible. I'll have to show you a few things around as well. So I'll go along quickly a bit, but we can get into each module later if you wanted to. All right. So as you can see, this is done. Now we'll now we'll go for the, now I want to show you a few things around. If I click on usage, as you can see, here I have usage and billings, how much credit I have available, how much is my budget, how much I have spent. I'll get all of the details here. Just quickly showing you around because you can also host the AI model with us on the cloud using inference, and we'll host it for you and we'll give you an endpoint. And you can easily, it's OpenAI API compatible as well. So you can easily, I'll just show you in a while, you can easily implement it in your code, existing code very easily. So yeah, so here's another thing. We have a dataset marketplace coming soon because to train this AI, the only thing that to train an AI model with our platform, the only thing you really need to know or really need to have is your own dataset. Might be a hassle. So in the future, we'll be launching a dataset marketplace as well for you to, so that it becomes easier for you to do that. But you can, right now, it's you bring your own data and we provide the model. All right. So other than that, there's you can set up your API keys. I'm just quickly taking you through the entire platform here. You can set up your API keys. You can quickly go to settings, And here's the good part. Okay, here's the part that I absolutely love about our platform. Our platform is very simple. Navagni is extremely simple, yet extremely powerful. Why? Because it gives you a hands-off experience. But when you want to get involved, you can get involved very, very deeply. You can customize it to the end. So as you can see, here are a few things. You can set your notifications because it's going to take some time to train the model, right? So it'll happen in the background. You can set up notifications, so when it's done, you'll get an alert. Other than that, you can select the GPU types. We have a range of GPUs with us, L40s and 100 A100s, example, and etc. And you can also set the max training time so that you don't go over budget. You can plan your budget, so you can set up a maximum training time. Other than that, we also have some API configurations. See, if you once you deploy the model with on the cloud with us, if it's taking too much to reply, you can have a timeout. This will help you manage your inference. You can set up cores for security, obviously, authentication, the password settings, everything. If you're an enterprise, you need this sort of stuff. Even if you're a user, you actually need it. Not all of us will use it, but you need it actually. So you can set up session timeouts, which you can understand what sort of devices are calling your APIs. So actually, we recommend that if you make a model, you deploy with us because you're getting all of this out of the box rather than creating and setting it up on your own, right? You can whitelist IPs. So if you're an enterprise, you don't want other people to access it, you can just particularly mention those particular IPs which you want to give access to, and only they will be allowed. You can block IPs, malicious IPs. There's API key rotation password. So basically, reset your password every 90 days. Additional security, because why not? Security audits. I'm just quickly going through it. Rate limiting, allow domains, block domains. There's a lot of stuff here, and it's amazing. You love it. I love it personally. All right, so you can do all of this. So as you can see, you can keep it as it is, if you want to. But if you want to, you can go very deep into it. So it's a very powerful tool, yet very simple to use. Other than that, there's a billing section, which I haven't shown you yet. So as you can see, it'll show your available balance, how much you spent this month, and etc. etc. Other than that, it will also show you can also set up the billing cycle, monthly, quarterly, yearly. One more thing I haven't shown you is that, yeah. So I'll just quickly show you how to deploy the model. You can come to inference, and you can see all the list of all your deployed models. As you can see, we have made this translation model, so which will deploy on our cloud. You can download it or you can deploy it with us. So you can click on the deploy button. We'll select the GPU type. The recommended, we have already given you the recommended thing. Well, there are prices available. Don't take the prices for granted now, because of course we'll figure it out. We'll try to give you the best price possible, obviously. So we'll figure it out. Other than that, you can select the GPU. I'll just go with the standard model, standard GPU, and I'll deploy it. Done. No hassle at all. No, it's deploying now. No, as you can see, I haven't downloaded any packages. I haven't done anything. It's done. It's deployed. It's sorted. And now we can use it. Now how can you put it in your code? All right. As you can see, there's a code, this button, and you can see you can easily just copy and paste. Isn't it? It's a favorite part of a programmer's job. Copy and paste. So if you want Node.js code, you want Python code, you want OpenAI client code. As I told you before, our platform is OpenAI API compatible. So if you're already using OpenAI packages, you don't need to install any other new packages. You can just quickly use it here. And other than that, we have also set up a few theme. As you can see, light mode, dark mode. Why not? Like why this? But I would say, why not? So as you can see, you can copy the code from here and you can use it. So voila, there you have it. I hope you had fun. And stick around to get more updates. We'll be launching very soon. I'm very excited. The entire team is very excited to show you and actually to bring this platform to you, and just excited to see what you're going to build with it. So yeah, I'll see you.